Hey everybody.
Hello!
Do you like adventure?
Because we've got plenty of adventure to share.
We're outdoorsy.
And we're fabulous.
I'm Jason.
I'm Todd.
This is our little child Ziggy. Say hello, Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy.
And we're the Glamping Guys.
Welcome to New Orleans, the Crescent City, home to incredible food, music, art, culture, history, architecture, and some really charming streetcars. Hop on board, and we'll show you a city that's bursting with life. It's also a city that's bursting full of some beautiful graveyards, like St. Louis Cemetery No. 1. This is where you can find some of the most famous graves in all of New Orleans, like the final resting place of Voodoo Queen Marie Laveau. Walking through this city, there's so much to see and hear, and smell, and eat and drink on every corner, seriously. It's a little overwhelming, but it's pretty magical. Here's Jackson Square, which is considered the heart of New Orleans. And we timed our trip so that it fell during the French Quarter Festival, which is a completely free music fest that takes over the whole French Quarter in April. So on the day we visited this square, it was filled with even more art and music than usual. We hopped on a streetcar and headed to City Park. It was a pretty crowded streetcar, but, you know, at least they let us keep our daiquiris. One of the coolest things to do in City Park is to walk through the sculpture garden. It's completely free, and it's full of some beautiful landscaping and some really incredible artwork.
Alright, Joe, we call this song Godzilla. This is one of our
And once again, hanging out on some random street corner was another incredible bunch of musicians. These guys were playing some world music / prog rock / jazz fusion on the West African Kora. Enjoy! On our last day in town, we took a walking tour through the Garden District, which is home to some of the most beautiful homes we've ever seen. Also in the Garden District, there's this rooftop bar that's called Hot 10, and it features craft cocktails and this amazing view of the city.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.